Welcome to the Hilleberg factory here in Rapla, Estonia. Come on, let's go take a look. This is where all the financing and everything happens, where they do all the planning and everything. That's why they're so quiet. Now we're heading in to the actual factory floor. The first we have here is inspection, where every single tent is set up and checked. Here you can see Helge setting up an enan and inspecting it, making sure that it doesn't have a lot of threads in it, so she's vacuuming it and then taking care of it. We have 3 quality control inspection tables, so we set up every single tent to make sure they're all of the highest quality. In here we have the girls making different accessories, so ground straps, peg bags, all kinds of little things that all go into the tent. So everyone has a crucial part in making your tent. Here, storage, fabrics. Then the fabrics go to here, and they're put onto that machine over there, and then the fabric is rolled out. And depending on how many we're doing, it can be layers of up to 100 or 200 tents. And then she puts the fabric or the pattern on and then cuts it. There she made a little mark so that they know where to put a certain thing, or to sew a certain thing, or to fold a certain thing. Up here we have the lunch room. Lunch, coffee, and then you can see behind there is the massage room. So every person that works here at the factory, once a week they get at least 20-minute massage. Here is Monica. She has been here for many, many years. She's one of our star sewers. And then here is the main production hall. So here you can see we have all kinds of accessories, all the spare parts, toggles, hooks, rings, little bands, all kinds of stuff. And then all of these get put onto carts here. And then the cart gets the fabrics and the zippers, and then it goes out to the seamstress that's going to have it. Here, every person is responsible for their own tent. So she'll grab stuff from the cart, bring the pieces together, and then when it's done, it'll be put into this cart and then out to the inspection. So here, the finished pieces, finished inner tents are then put together with the finished outer tents, then they're set up and inspected, and then we ship them out to you. That was a quick tour of the Hilleberg factory.